This is severe tropical cyclone Ita continuing to bear down on far northern portions of Queensland, and definitely one storm system you want to take very seriously if you are ahead of this. Category 5 on the Bureau of Meteorology scale at this time. Winds gusting up to, that is, about 285 kilometers per hour, sustained well over 200 kilometers per hour as well. Pressure continues to fall, though, as this does continue to track off there towards the southwest, pushing on shore and expecting to make landfall right around Friday afternoon into the evening hours. Now, the good news, where it is coming on shore, this is a low populated region compared to farther down towards the south. Lower population of 200, that's just inland of where it is pushing on shore. And then Cooktown, about 2,000 people live there. Now, the good news is that these areas, less people to warn and less people to evacuate ahead of this system. Vice, if you are farther down towards the south into Cairns, 142,000 people live out there. Now, everybody is ahead of the storm system. They are taking it seriously, and especially officials. Take a look at this video coming out of Cooktown, where, well, people are starting to tape up windows, starting to get ready ahead of the system. Authorities are saying about 9,000 people could be directly impacted by those, severe cyclone strength winds. Remember, this is the strongest storm to hit this area since 2011, when Cyclone Ita came ashore. That's one thing to keep in mind, and go ahead and pull back the picture. That Ita caused one death, and that was due to actually carbon dioxide poisoning caused by, power failures across this area of Queensland. And when that happened, somebody started up their generator and wasn't properly ventilated. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If your power does go out and you have a generator, which a lot of people in this part of Australia do, to make sure that it's positioned properly. Now, structural damage also going to be a major factor with this. I mean, you have those significant winds, even the threat of storm surge along the southern periphery of this circulation, but also the rainfall. Cairns down towards Townsville and eventually over towards Brisbane. Some areas could see as much as 100 to 200 millimeters of rainfall. That's definitely going to be causing that risk of flooding. So something we're going to watch through the coming days.